I only have an intro. I should really make an intro. I'm finna go to Chick-fil-A to get some food because I am hungry and I need to wash my car too. Yeah. Currently it's Monday, November. I don't know the date. 5th, 6th, 7th. Today's the 7th, I think. November 7th. Yeah. Plan for today was to go to class. I usually have an 11 o'clock class, but it got canceled today, so I'm gonna take this chance to go get me some Chick-fil-A breakfast, and I need to wash my car. I said that like 5 different times already, so we're just gonna start driving. If you know me, if you're a real one, you know that I tried this YouTube. If you're a real one, you know I tried YouTube like 2 years ago, and it didn't really, well, I'm not gonna say it didn't work out because I just stopped doing it. I did like 3 videos, and then I just never did it again. But right now, I'm on the way to Chick-fil-A to get some breakfast, which is like 20 minutes away from my school, the closest Chick-fil-A. Other than the one we have on campus, but they don't have breakfast. So I just want some Chick-fil-A breakfast. I've been wanting it for a long time. So going to Chick-fil-A, then I gotta go wash my car. And I figured, I mean, hey, I've been saying I want to try this YouTube again, so why not start now? I need to get one of those little phone mount things. I don't really like the way they look, but if I'm gonna be vlogging and stuff, then I need to get one. And I need to make an intro, because I don't know what I'm gonna say. I need an intro video. You know, I'm just really not prepared right now, but it's okay because we're gonna get there. But I'll see you guys when I get to Chick-fil-A. Yo, I wish I had somebody with me that could record, you know? That'd be so easy, but I made it to Chick-fil-A. Oh, here comes the lady. Y'all gonna hear my order. Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm good. How you doing?
Doing great. Can you get a name?
Brandon.
Miss Brandon, what can I get started for you this morning?
Can I get the chicken, egg, and cheese muffin?
The combo meal or just the muffin?
The combo.
Chicken, egg, and cheese muffin meal. What to drink with that meal?
Orange juice.
Okay, what else for you? Honey, jelly, dipping sauce?
Nah, that'd be all.
Okay, it's going to be $8.63. Okay, you can go ahead and remove that, Mr. Brandon. It's a pleasure serving you. Have a great day.
You too. Order. Dang, I should have gotten the other lane. I got here before that little police car and they already out there. Forgot what I was talking about before the lady came and took my order. I gotta get used to talking to nobody, right? I gotta get used to talking to nobody because right now I'm just talking. Basically, I'm talking to myself. Looking in the camera, I'm talking to myself. That's crazy. But the plan for today, come get some Chick-fil-A, go wash my car, go back to campus. Then I got 1 o'clock class, and then I have nothing else to do after that, but I have some work I need to catch up on, so probably do that. Yeah, just gonna, whenever I remember, I'm gonna pick up the camera and record something. Cause you know that's what YouTubers do. You record everything you do so you have minutes. So just think when like people be doing like 30-minute videos, hour-long videos, they gotta be recorded for so long. That's crazy. But right now I'm just rambling. But it's okay. But I know the people behind me probably like, dang, that dude car dirty. Cause my car is filthy, guys. It's horrible. It's only because I be parking outside all the time now. Back at home, I was used to parking in the garage and stuff, so my car didn't get dirty as fast. But I kept my car clean regardless. But here it's just the closest car wash about 20, 30 minutes away. Like the automatic car washes. I don't like the self-service ones. Them things, that's a scam. I put $2 in there. They gave me 2 minutes. Something like that. But it's not even 2 minutes for each section on the little wheel, the option wheel. It's 2 minutes for the whole thing. You gotta keep putting more money in to get more time. It's a scam. I don't like it. So, I'm just talking. Like, y'all probably don't even care what I gotta say, but I'm finna keep talking though. Yeah.
It's right here.
Thank you.
My pleasure. You have a blessed one.
You too. Dang. I pulled up too far behind the truck in front of me. I can't go around. Hash browns. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. It's different. Of course, guys. Of course, they spelled my name wrong. B-I-A-N-D-O-N. It's not how you spell my name. If I could get $1 for every time I've been to like a restaurant and they misspell my name, not even a restaurant, just anywhere, and I just tell them my name without telling them how to spell it, I'd be rich. Ah. I wonder if I have the AC on, would that mess up? I'm gonna open my windows a little bit. Alright guys, so what I got to eat. Chicken, egg, and cheese muffin. Mid. Oh, I never pull up close enough to these things. Oh. I got it. But guys, it's been a long time since I've had my car washed. It's been a minute. My car probably gonna cry when it's done. I'm sorry, car. Am I the only person that like I love going through car washes. It's gonna be loud. I'll catch you guys when I'm out. Alright, I made it through the car wash. Ooh, that's loud. I don't know how I'm finna record this, but I'm gonna try something. We'll see. I'm gonna try to record it somehow. But yeah.